Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the exercises of Unit 6, The Selfish Giant. First, we have a comprehension. This is a story about the queen and the magic chest. So, all of you please read this story carefully and answer the questions which is given at the end of the story. First, we have read and write, that is, write true or false. Read the story carefully and find out the sentences are right or wrong. So children, again I remind you, try to answer these questions by yourself after reading the story. Then check your answers later. Then section B, answer these questions. So these are very simple questions. You can easily find out from the passage. Next section is write a word from the story that the opposite of king. So what is the opposite gender of king? Queen. Second one, what do you mean a state ruled by a king or queen? That is kingdom. Third one, what do you mean a person who lives by asking for money? Beggar. Fourth one, what is the opposite of buy? Sell. Fifth one, which word means unwilling or hesitant? Answer is reluctant. Next we move to vocabulary section. In A column you have 10 words and its meanings are given in column B. You have to match these words. For example, caring. What is the meaning of caring? Feeling or showing concern for others. Confidence. Belief that you can do something well. Third one, creativity, to make new things or think of new ideas. Fourth one, determination, willingness to achieve something difficult. Fairness, not favoring some over others. Gentleness, kind and quiet nature, not harsh. Gratitude, a feeling of appreciation or thanks. Honor, respect given to one who is admired. Humility, not being too proud or confident of oneself. Modesty, not thinking you are better than others. So these are some qualities. Its meanings are given in the next column. Next we move to grammar section. Fill in the blanks with the kind of adjective suggested in the brackets. So we have already learned in grammar adjective and its kind. Do you remember that? Adjective of quality shows the quality of nouns. Adjective of quantity shows the quality of nouns. The demonstrative adjective point out the nouns. Possessive adjective tells us something belongs to someone. Look at the first one. The dash queen ruled over her kingdom for many years. Here you have to use adjective of quality, that is young. Second one, I ate dash mangoes this morning. I ate a lot of mangoes this morning. This is adjective of quantity. It is not given the exact number. Just tell how much only. Third one, dash flower blooms only in cold regions. Here we use demonstrative adjective that. Fourth one, please may I borrow dash book. Your book. Possessive adjective. Fifth one, I have dash storybooks. I have a lot of storybooks. Adjective of quantity. Sixth one, dash parents are very fond of me. My parents are very fond of me. So my is possessive adjective. Seventh one, I will take dash oranges for my grandmother. Demonstrative adjective is those. Because oranges are plural, so we use the plural demonstrative adjective, that is those. Eighth one, the apples are dash and ready to eat. Adjective of quality, ripe. Ripe is the word that describes apple. Ninth one, my brother dropped the eggs. Now we have only few eggs left. Adjective of quantity. 10th one, I put dash pencils into my pencil box. I put some pencils into my pencil box. That is adjective of quantity. Next we move to study skills. Is this the order in which these words are listed in the dictionary? Write true or false. You may then use the dictionary to check if your answers are correct. All of you know that in dictionary you can find out the words in alphabetical order. First, this bread comes before cat. Is it correct? So B. Look at the first letter B and C. So which letter comes first? B. So this answer is true. Second one, jam comes before honey. Again, look at the first letter J and H. So which letter comes first? H. So this is false. Third one, bird comes before apple. Check the first letter B and A. So which letter comes first? Apple. So this is false. Fourth one, king comes after castle. Check the first letters K and C. Which letter comes first? C. So it is right. So this is true. Fifth one, prince comes after queen. Look at the first letters P and Q. Which letter comes first? P. So this is false. Then sixth one, moon comes after sun. Look at the first letters M and S. So here S comes after M. So this also false. Seventh one, snow comes after rain. Again first letter S and R. S comes after R. So it is true. Eighth one, winter comes before summer. First letters are W and S, and W comes after S. So this is false. Ninth one, spring comes after autumn. So first letters are S and A letter comes first. So it is right, true. 10th one, meal comes before dessert. First letters are M and D, and M comes after D. So this is false. So hope you got it. Next we move to the writing section. Imagine you have a magic chest of your own. What do you keep in it? What is special about it? Describe in about 50 words. So here in the story you can see that Queen got a magic chest. Same way, if you got magic chest, what do you keep in it? It's a treasure box. What do you keep in it? And what is special about it? So children, again you use your creativity and thinking skill, use your imagination and write few sentences about it. That's all for today. We will discuss the test paper 3 later. Next class we will learn new chapter in grammar. Be ready with that. Till then, take care. Thank you.